Art, Start, Go. In this video, we will draw a snowman with a pencil and a colored pencil. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw and create art. Start by using a HB graphite pencil. Begin by drawing oval shapes for the head, torso, and abdomen. Continue making marks for the eyes and a cone shape pointed to the side for the nose. Repeat the marks for the smile on the face. Use lines to represent the arms and marks again to represent buttons on the torso. Continue drawing the base in the shape of the hat. Add lines to ground the snowman into the frame, and optionally you can add a thickness to the outline of the snowman to help the outer shape stand out as compared to the marks inside. This completes the drawing of our first snowman. The second snowman will be drawn using multiple colored pencils. Start out using a light cerulean blue. This light blue is used to draw the oval shapes for the head, torso, and abdomen. Next, draw a horizontal line to help ground the snowman. Use the indigo blue or dark blue to help define the shape of the eyes. Use a poppy red color to draw the cone shape, which should represent the carrot for the nose. Continue to use the indigo blue to help define the shape on the torso. As seen, some of the shapes have been moved slightly to the left as if we were looking at the snowman from a slight angle rather than straight in front. Continue to use indigo blue to define the base of the hat, then the hat shape. Start using light umber, which is a light brown, as the arms would likely be made with sticks. Next, use poppy red for the base of the hat and scarf. Continue by adding additional color. Using light blue, add an additional line to ground the snowman. Start to shade or add value to the snowman on the lower right with consideration that the main light source would be coming from the upper left. Continue to shade some of the oval to help define the round shapes. Also begin to shade underneath the hat as it would cast a shadow onto the head. Start to add value or shading to the hat using a black color pencil. Using the indigo blue pencil, continue to fill the hat with color. Next, use crimson red on the areas such as the red material that would be over the black hat. Alternate from the crimson red and poppy red to help fill in the color of the red material, including the scarf. Continue to use two colors for the nose. Use black to help fill in the ovals with consideration that they would be made with buttons or some other black material. Use a burnt ochre for a dark brown to help further define the arms and provide greater contrast against the red scarf. Use true blue that is slightly darker than light blue to help darken up the areas which are shadow and add value to the shapes and the shadows of the snowman. Again, use light blue to help provide a transition in the value and help define the shape even better. Alternate between black and indigo blue to help fill in or provide value to the hat. Use indigo blue to help define shadow on other areas with red. Then use indigo blue to help fill in the buttons. This completes the color drawing of our second snowman. Here is a quick view with both drawings of the snowman compared side by side. Hey, thank you very much. I had a great time making this video and I hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now and click the bell.